Sa punto pong ito, mahalaga po nga antayin muna natin yung po nga desisyon, no, ng Senate Impeachment Court. Katulad po ng nagdaan ho naming pagtingin ay hindi naman ho kailangan yung pong authorization ng Pangulo ng Pilipinas for a subpoena to be issued, no? So, antayin lang ho natin yung pagtingin po ng Senate Impeachment Court. So kung halimbawa, sabihin nila na necessary yung authorization, then it is something that we will consider and then we'll probably comply on, no? So, yun tingin ko yun yung mas mahalaga kasi para sa isang bagay na pinag-usapan ho natin, BIR doc, kasi totoo lang, hindi lang mo impeachment ito. Do they actually mean na yung pong ordinaryong tao na meron hong halimbawa tax evasion case sa the Department of Justice isasalang sa korte, ibig niyo ho bang sabihin each and every tax case ng ordinaryong tao, hindi ho impeachable official, will require the authorization of the president for these tax documents to actually be subpoenaed by ordinary courts? I don't think so. Which is why, very important ho, antayin po natin yung pong pagtingin ng Senate Impeachment Court kasi sinabi naman na ho namin, meron hong constitutional power yung pong Senate Impeachment Court to issue subpoenas to get at the truth. No? So, kung sabihin ho nila, they would want to be on the safe side and would require presidential approval for the unsealing or opening of BIR documents, then that is the time that we will probably have to comply.